Hey guys, Adam with 4x4TruckLEDs.com here. Today I'm going to show you what's in your Bronco kit. This is the Baja Designs triple fog light kit. We kind of customize these on our end where we let you pick which lights you want and we give you a really nice harness. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in these kits right now. So here you're going to see is actually some of the orders that are going out. Some of you lucky Bronco owners are getting your kits pretty soon. We've got 6 going out today. It's Friday. I think it's like the 11th. I forget exactly when. But we've got 6 kits going out. We were supposed to have more go out, but because we check everything, we realized that Baja Designs forgot some hardware. These hardware kits here, they forgot some of the bolts and the washer, so we're still waiting for those to come in. Some of you guys may have remembered that there's been a post about that where a couple customers were missing that hardware and had to run to the store. This is why we check everything before it goes out. We want it to be as easy as possible. So in the kit, you're going to get our harness. We have this manufactured to our specs. This harness gives you 3 pairs of connectors. These are the weather pack connectors. We also label this so that it's really nice and easy for you guys to use and hook up. You got A, B, and C, and there are 3 pairs of connectors, which means you can operate all 3 lights from 3 different upfitters. You don't have to share an upfitter for 2 of the S2, so that's really nice. You're going to get your hardware bag. And in here, you're going to get 6 of these small little brackets. There's 3 for the passenger, 3 for the driver's side. You're also going to get your hardware kit that I mentioned before. This is what holds these brackets to the big brackets, as well as your instruction manual. You're going to get a pair of these brackets. We call these the large brackets. You're going to get a driver's side, and you're going to get a passenger side. So basically, this bolts to the back of here, and then your light will sit on this. And it gives you a little bit of forward and back adjustability. You're just going to get 3 pairs of lights. Typically it's a set of Squadron and 2 sets of S2. That's what's going to fit in this opening right here. So if you guys need any lights, let us know. If you got any questions on how to install this, please let us know. We've become pretty much professionals at installing these on Broncos now. We've got a lot of these kits in stock. I'll give you a quick tour. Here's actually a whole bunch of the brackets right here that are being kitted with the lights that you guys want. These are actually some of the reverse kit harnesses that we've got, as well as some of the brackets in that box as well. So we're going to be getting those shipped out soon. Again, because it's a new item, Baja forgot some of the bolts, so we're not shipping the reverse kits today. Those are going to ship next week, along with the remaining balance of the fog kits that we have. Again, it's Adam at 4x4TruckLEDs.com. Any questions, please reach out to us. You can give us a call at 866-991-4331. Message us on the Bronco forum, bronco6g.com. Send us an email. That's info at 4x4TruckLEDs.com. That's LEDs, plural. You can also message us on Facebook as well and Instagram. All right, take care, guys.